Once upon a time there was a farmer. He was living in the village. He was very worried about his crops getting eaten by the birds. So he laid down a trap for the birds. Next day, he managed to catch a flock of the birds. A crane also got trapped in the net. The crane pleaded with the farmer for his freedom. The farmer asked, "You have been found in the company of these birds, who are eating my seeds, so I will not spare you." The moral of the story is, bad company is harmful.